I am back another interesting camera compare video. Today I am going to compare DSLRs versus smartphone. I am using best mid-range DSLR Canon 80D. On the other hand, I am using iPhone XR best budget iPhone. Canon 80D sensor resolution 48 megapixel sensor with 100 to 640 IOS. So let's talk about the lens. I am using 80 to 35 mm zoom lens. On the other hand, iPhone XR single 12 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. Let's move on video. Canon 80D record only 180 60 fps highest. On the other hand, iPhone XR record 4K 60 fps. So I am record both device 180 30 fps.